Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful crochet flower for absolute beginners. I have made this crochet flower for baby hairpins. I have made hairpins already and I am making this flower for another pin because I am making two pairs with red color two pins and with this shocking pink color two pins. So two pairs have been ordered. So I will show you how to crochet this flower, which is for absolute beginners. Single crochet and double crochet stitches are used in this flower. And after making this flower, I will join the flower with the help of glue gun on this pin like this. So let's get into the video. So I am using a 3-ply yarn and a number 5 steel crochet hook. This is equal to 2mm crochet hook in size. So first of all, wrap the yarn around fingers like this. Now with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn through first one and make a magic ring. Now on this magic ring, we are going to make single crochet stitches. So make chain 1, go into this magic ring, drop a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is called our single crochet stitch. Then make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After making 10 single crochet stitches, pull the yarn and close the magic ring like this. Now here is our very first single crochet stitch. In this first stitch, make a slip stitch. Now for the second round, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this. Go into this very first single crochet stitch where we have made slip stitch. Drop a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first. Pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again. Go into the same stitch. Drop a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2. Pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into this very next single crochet stitch. So this is our first petal. Make a slip stitch into the third single crochet stitch right here and start working again. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 into the same single crochet stitch. Then make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and in the next single crochet stitch right here, make a slip stitch. make a slip stitch into the next stitch to start our third petal. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 into the same stitch. Make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch. So repeat the same process and make 2 more petals as well. Now make 3 chains. Make a slip stitch into this last single crochet stitch. And make a slip stitch into this very first single crochet stitch like this. Now cut the yarn strand like this, and with the help of needle we are going to join this bead in the center of flower. So first of all, take this yarn at the back side by pulling the needle at the back side of flower like this. And now take it to the front side again. Join the bead and take the same yarn from the opposite side to the back side again. Now we are going to take the other side yarn strand, pull it at the front side, pull the needle through bead one time like this, and pull the needle at the back side of flower again. Now we are simply going to make 2 knots of these yarn strands. 1, 2. Now cut the extra yarn strands. If you want to use this flower for other crochet projects, you can join the flower on the project with these yarn strands as well, but I am making this flower for these hairpins and it will be joined with glue gun. So here is the final look of a flower. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and if you want tutorial video of these hairpins, do let me know in the comment section as well. I will make tutorial video of these pins as well. So do not forget to subscribe, press the red subscribe button and then all option to get notifications of future uploads from this channel. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.